Hello, 2020 user. Thank you for accessing this training tutorial for Omega Cabinetry. This brief video will show you how to add a fixed door on end modification. In your most recent 2020 catalog, right-click on the cabinet you'd like to add your modification to. Go to Attributes, and when that Attributes pops up, you're going to click on the Add-ons tab. We're going to go Base Modification, and we're going to go Side Modification. You'll scroll down the list and you see you have your fixed door on end modifications listed here. We're going to select the right, and you can see you do get a nice visual of this modification. Hit Apply and OK, and you're ready for your next item. Thank you for your time, and we hope this video was helpful. Please find other videos like this in our collection, and be sure to let us know if there are other 2020 learning topics you would like to see demonstrated in this way. Happy designing!